Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Justice Rodgers, local real estate agent. Before we jump into the video, a quick little backstory for some context. So 1750 Barber Lane in Encinitas, we actually sold it last year for $2.55 million. It had originally been on the market twice before with two different brokerages. Once I believe at 2.2 and another at 2.4, both unsuccessfully sold. And pretty much we came in, switched up the strategy, switched up the marketing, and procured a higher result the third time around. So I guess they say third time's a charm. But anyways, that's about it. Welcome to the video. Reach out if you need anything.